Welcome to our quick and easy recipe of tasty naan bread, 8 naan. 200-gram plain flour, 2 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoon ghee, 3 tablespoon yogurt, 1 glass water, 2 tablespoon sugar, 1 7 grams pack of dry yeast. Mix oil, salt, sugar, ghee, yeast, and yogurt in plain flour. Add water slowly. Once dough is ready, let it rest for only 5 minutes. Make equal ball. Dip it in plain flour and roll it in any shape. When pan is hot, put 1 naan. Turn around when one side is brown and put half tablespoon oil on top of naan. Turn around again and simmer for 5 seconds. Naan is ready to serve. Enjoy. Watch our other video for garlic, cheese and garlic, herb and garlic, chili and cheese, spinach and cheese, potato and cheese, pizza naan. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.